Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the 4 most popular web browsers in your Samsung Galaxy A04S. So we start from the Google Chrome. Now in the Google Chrome just tap on this arrow icon or 3-dot icon and tap on the new Incognito tab, and that's it. The next one is Opera. In the Opera you have to tap on this taskbar icon, switch to the private and add a tab. How you can see now your secrets are safe. The next one in the Firefox, it's very similar. You can tap on the taskbar icon, switch to the private and add a tab, or in this window just tap on the Zor mask. And that's it. And the last one in Microsoft Edge, like in Opera, just tap on the taskbar icon, switch to the in private and add a tab. And that's it. Your cache files and history will be not saved. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.